Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Facebook ads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you hide Facebook ad campaigns that are no longer active? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to hide the campaigns that are no longer active in your Facebook ads anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business using Facebook ads, if you create a lot of different campaigns, it can become kind of cluttered. So you can actually hide the campaigns that are no longer active. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ads manager. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've logged into my ads manager, and this is the home screen. So here on the left side, you're going to click on campaigns. It looks like a grid icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the campaigns. So you can see these 4 on the top are on, but these ones are off here at the bottom. So if you want to go ahead and filter these out and hide these inactive campaigns, here at the top, you're going to click on this button, active ads. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now it's only showing the ads that are currently active in my Facebook ads manager. Now, if you need to turn it back, all you do is just click on this little arrow thing again, and then all of the inactive ads are going to show up again. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to hide your inactive campaigns in Facebook ads, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.